creepers. They give you the creeps, don't they? If we had a real life creeper, it would look something like this. Well, cartoon. I'm going to have that box for the head, right? And we're going to have a body. That looks just like a regular creeper, right? Just going to get the outlines right first. Feet. Are they feet? I think they're feet. Let's give it a bit more of a 3D look here by pulling these lines out. This is the basis of our creeper. Now, the way I look at the creeper, my head needs to be slightly bigger, doesn't it, in proportion to the body. The way I look at this creeper, obviously there are blocks of different green along it. I think it looks a bit leafy. And there is something in a book, one of the official Minecraft books, that say that they feel like dry leaves. So I think they're going to be leafy. So I think maybe if we leaf up this one, it'll sort of look a bit like a hedge, like a walking hedge. And then where the eyes go, so they come about halfway down. So I'm going to draw quick guidelines here. There. That's going to be the eyes. Just that bit there. It's kind of a leafy creeper, isn't it? Come in. We have this sort of shape around the nose and mouth, don't we? We'll come to that detail in a minute. And on this bit there, obviously we know they've got dynamite inside them. But a walking hedge with dynamite inside, it's pretty terrifying if you ask me. And we'll have some sort of like vines or something coming across there, because they do have some sort of diagonal line, don't they, across them. Some leaves coming off. Look at this. I think this is quite realistic, actually. Made some of these rough bits down here. They've got that kind of pattern on the bottom, haven't they? There's definitely gunpowder inside them, isn't there? We know that. Well, there's TNT inside them, actual sticks, isn't there? So, what do you reckon? What does a creeper feel like? Like I said, the book said it was going to be like dry leaves, but who knows really what that feeling's going to be like? Do you have a theory on what they're made of? How they came to be? I'd love to hear it if you do. Stick that in the comments, please. And also let me know which Minecraft guys you'd like me to do next. I was thinking about some golems, maybe some under the sea stuff. Those creatures are pretty cool. Or just a Steve? Maybe a Steve? Let me know who you want me to do next. I'm going to draw Minecraft guys as cartoons. Like this one is, a big hedgy creeper guy. Which one should we do next? I think pencil stage is nearly done for this one here. I'm going to put a few more leaves in at the drawing, digital inking and colouring stage. But for now, I think that's a good outline. So we'll work with that for the next stage. I'll see you in a minute over there. Right, I'm going to level with you. I forgot to record this drawing stage up to this point. So, really sorry about that. So I'm straight into the drawing stage. You can probably imagine that I just drew all those outlines and leaves and things, can't you? Yeah, apologies for missing that. I'm very tired, very tired. Anyway, green is the colour of a creeper. Green is the base colour that we're going to start with on this one. And then I'm going to start adding some shadows around the edges there, just to make it look a bit more 3D. And assume where the light source is coming from, where our shadows are going to be. I looked it up, it was a Minecraft creator called Notch who said that creepers feel like dry leaves, crunchy dry leaves. So that's a big clue as to what they're made of, and obviously they're greenness helps them camouflage in a lot of the Minecraft backgrounds and landscapes. The green grass and then the trees as well. So I think it's a really safe assumption that there's something to do with foliage or leaves in a creeper. They also have a fear of cats. Did you know that? So if you keep loads of cats or ocelots around, then you're much less likely to be killed by a creeper because they'll just run off. I mean, I've seen a couple of scary cats in my time, but you wouldn't be scared of all cats, would you? But it's fun all the same. I've got a lot of my Minecraft facts and things from for this series from a YouTube channel which is brilliant. You should check out, called Game Theory. It does loads of Minecraft stuff. I'll drop a link to one of their videos in the description because that's really worth checking out. It's a lot of fun the way they talk about things as well, and it gives you sort of insight into the lore of Minecraft. It's very good. Recommend it highly. You probably already know about it. There we go, we're pretty nearly done. Sorry this is a bit of a shorter one because I missed out the actual drawing stage, but I'm pretty happy with him. And there he is, just in his natural environment.